Hi everybody, welcome to the Dream Giveaway Garage. Today we're going to be talking 1966 Chevy II Nova. Come on along. You know we're talking muscle car, and that means we've got to take a look first underneath the hood of this Chevy II Nova and see what gives it all its gusto. Well, the first thing that I see is that this V8 engine is a high-performance offering from 1966, displacing 327 cubic inches. Chevy calls it a 327 turbo-fire, 350 horsepower. For the extra couple of dollars over the base price of a V8 in 1966, you could get this 350 horse engine, and it was the top offering on the Nova that year. Chevy calls it the L79 engine, and when it's mated to the 4-speed manual transmission, that spells one thing: a whole lot of F-U-N. The Chevy II was Chevrolet's base level compact car. Yes, they called it a compact car back in the 1960s. But those in the know could order from their Chevy dealer the high-performance 327 V8 and a 4-speed and Positraction and have a heck of a muscle car. The styling is very typical of General Motors and Chevrolet in the 1960s. You've got a whole lot of chrome up front. You've got typical General Motors and Chevrolet badging on the front fenders. You've got some Chevy rally wheels. You've got what we used to call here vent windows. Styling is still very much mid-1960s Chevrolet, all the way down to the vent windows, the crank-up passenger and driver side window, the quarter panel windows, and down here, here's a nice touch, Chevy IIs in 14-inch diameter. These days, you'll have to find reproduction tires to even fit on a 14-inch wheel. The interior of the Chevy II Nova is pretty basic, even by 1960s standards. But let's cut right to the chase. It has what's really important, and that's a 4-speed on the floor. The rest of the car, like I said, nothing spectacular as far as top-of-the-line trim, but that's not what you got when you got a Chevy II back in the day. You got a bench seat with vinyl coverings, you got an AM radio, you didn't even get gauges, and that's why a previous owner had to add these gauges. Over here, a tri-set of gauges, the fuel pressure, voltage, and temperature, and over here a matching tachometer on the column. It gets the job done, and isn't that what you want in a 1960s muscle car? This is where you're going to be sitting if you win this 327 4-speed Chevy II Nova from 1966. So let me give you a little hint of the joy that you're going to have when you turn this key and you hear that solid lifter 327. Here we go. Oh yeah. That's good stuff. What a fantastic ride. 327 high-performance V8, 4-speed, bench seat, classic 60s styling. This Nova has it all. Now it's your turn. Go to www.dreamgiveaway.com, use the promo code that you see with this video, and you're going to get bonus tickets. We'll see you next time. More great fun, more great action, and more great grand prizes like this 1966 Chevy II Nova. It only happens here in the Dream Giveaway Garage.